Want to create an Apple ID account without having to provide your credit card information? We're here to show you how it's done. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create an Apple ID without a credit card. Now let's get started. This process works exactly the same on all iOS devices. Start by opening your web browser and going to appleid.apple.com. Scroll down and tap Create Your Apple ID. Enter your first name and last name. Make sure the correct country is selected, and enter your date of birth. Type in your email address and create a password. Then you'll need to create some security questions. Choose the questions you want to use and type in your answer to each question in the text box below it. Type in the characters in the image presented to prove you're not a bot creating a spam account. Then tap Continue. To verify your email address, check your email inbox for a verification code from Apple. Then enter the code you've received. Tap Next. Now you've created your Apple ID. If you look at your account information, it will say you have no payment method on file. In order to use your new Apple ID to download free apps on your device, open your iOS settings. Then tap Sign in to your iPhone at the top. Enter your email address and password to sign into the Apple ID you just made. Tap Agree in the bottom right corner. Now open the App Store and tap Get beside any free app you'd like to download. Since you haven't used this Apple ID with the App Store before, you'll have to complete a few more steps before you can download content. Enter your password. Then tap Review. Tap the switch beside Agree to Terms and Conditions. Then tap Next. Select your preferred title, then tap Next. On the next screen, you'll need to enter your address. At the top, you'll see that your selected payment method is none, but you're still required to provide a billing address. This does not mean that you'll actually be billed for anything. Enter your address and phone number, then tap Next. Tap Continue at the bottom. Now you're all set. You can download as many free apps as you like. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.